is not a writing question per se, but I was curious about Mr. Davis's experience with the Insurance Fair Conduct Act, and I just wanted to know, in the last, I guess, few minutes of the session, if there were any comments you had that were related to just how you think that you were able to be successful with that initiative, and what you thought strategically you did.
The plaintiffs' bar obviously had an enormous influence on the passing of that election, and it was all grassroots. And you know, we really didn't need to do much except tell the story, the real story of what goes on out in the real world, and how insurance companies take advantage of the fact that they almost always have the leverage in litigation. Even with the rules, the court rules that allow attorney fees in some instances and so forth, they don't do anything compared to the leverage that they have. I mean, I give the example that the insurance, many insurance companies will spend much more than the case is worth. And they know that because they've done studies to show that as many as 80 or 90% of claimants will give up. They don't want to go through the process. So statistically, they know, okay, so they're spending $50,000 to fight a $20,000 claim. And as far as the election went, we were able to communicate that fact to the people. And you know, we were shocked, when I say we, the plaintiffs' bar, that it passed by the margin that it did. Because if you recall, most of the commercials on the TV attacked the lawyers. And we're used to that. But we made phone calls to people, and you'd be surprised at how many people understood it and said, you know, we're on your side. I had a homeowner's claim 5 years ago, and Allstate dragged me through, you know. So, you know, it was just a matter of getting the real story out there, making contact with voters, making them aware of what the law actually does. And now you don't see the abuse. I don't see really as much as the abuses that I did before that act was passed.